sky for you most of the day. Tonight, we've got a sky show for you. The Draconids are going to peak. This is one that a lot of times these happen in the middle of the night. In this case, it's going to be more of a late evening event. So 8 o'clock tonight through about 2 o'clock in the morning. Could get 10 or so an hour, so it's not a big meteor shower, but you may get to see a few of those. And the viewing is okay tonight because we're doing more and more clearing out there. So if you have a chance to get out and enjoy that one, this is a good evening for it. Just a few clouds showing up in central and southeastern Ohio right now, but most of those are breaking up. We're seeing fewer and fewer of them. And so as the sunset, you'll see more of that clearing happening. Breeze out of the north right now at 10 miles an hour, and at John Glenn Columbus International Airport, it is 68 degrees. Dew points are in the 40s. Your D.R. Horton America's Builder current conditions in Kenton and Marysville both at 66, Lancaster and Logan at 67, and Coshocton at 64. So there's the clearing for the night tonight. Beautiful clear sky, good viewing for the stars and the meteors. You may have to, if you're going out to see the meteors, you might actually have to sort of block the moon a little bit because it might be casting a little bit too much light, so keep that in mind. 62 at 7 o'clock tonight, into the upper 50s by 8 o'clock. Your overnight low in the city drops to 42. Outside of the outer belt, a couple of degrees cooler. We're not talking about frost so much yet for this, but by Friday morning, there's a pretty good chance. So here we are Thursday, lots of clear sky, high pressure still in the area, and then by the time we get to Thursday night into Friday morning, that's when we do have a chance for some patchy frost in central Ohio. So we'll be watching the temperatures very closely for early Friday. Here's how that looks. So tomorrow morning, 42 here in Columbus, 30s in Marion and Mansfield. You may find a little bit of patchy frost in northwestern Ohio. But by Friday morning, that's when we're looking at some upper 30s in Columbus. Marion gets down to 36. A few of the outlying areas may get a little bit cooler. And so that's when you've got a better chance for that patchy frost. You may have to cover the mums, or if there are other plants that you want to protect, make sure you do that for at least Friday morning. 43 degrees tomorrow morning, 64 when you're coming home from work and school in the afternoon. That is an A-plus forecast. It is going to stay sunny for most of the day tomorrow. Should be absolutely gorgeous. The entire 7-day forecast is dry. Again. 69 degrees on Friday with plenty of sunshine. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds over the weekend, but temperatures will climb into the 70s and then mid-70s on Monday and Tuesday.